Bro, I need to hear that. Let me hear that.
Hello, kids. Hello, kids. Every time. Hello, kid. She throw that till she blowing minds. No seatbelts is hitting nice.
Hey, how y'all doing? All right, anyways, my bad for not uploading in 2 whole freaking weeks.
Damn.
And it's about to get even worse, bro. Y'all know winter rolling up. It's already October. Anyways, like and subscribe, enjoy the video, follow my Instagram, all that, yada yada. All right, let's just go back. They done got the rally special. This is like the Forza Horizon 5 rally update joint thing. Holy G8, bro. Dang. Clean G8. Dude, if these things weren't like 20K, I would have had one in my driveway. See, I don't know what that means, but he just parked right next to the EcoBoost. That color is insane though. With the GT500 front end, it's clean. Bro, he better turn this way, dude. I was wrong. I thought he was about to turn the other way. None like the good old grandpa spec on the old C7 here. Little base Stingray. It's not even the Z51. Actually, I cannot talk. I drive a 1995 Camaro. Another one here. It's a nasty dent, dude. I don't know. Yeah, what is that? It's all right. Ooh, yeah, these Trailblazers are Trackhawk killers. Even though I'm a Trackhawk fiend, 4-door Skyline. Good old New Edge, man. I was gonna buy one, but the dude never answered. So y'all seen this one before. This is the one that did that fat burnout, leaving that one car show. All right, they got the Mustang. Holy crap! I'm not recording that anymore. Oh my gosh. That thing sounds good. Holy moly. The Infinity Gang. Bro, are you serious? Bro, he didn't even floor it. The old ST. We got this Mini Cooper.
That thing's no way.
Supercharged? Are you serious? Bro, he is going. Bro, Winfield PD's about to catch him. We are not safe, bro. And we got this freaking Audi RS7. That fart.
Hit the gas when you're right. Why can't you just hit the gas?
Bro, I hear that supercharger too. Them boosted Ford F-150s, bro. So sick. Floor it. Floor it. Oh, snap. I keep forgetting that sign, dude. Oh, dang. Wow. Oh, yes. Yeah, bruh. No turn signal, so I don't know where this dude's going. That's a waste of my storage, too. Is that a Pro Charger? Oh my. That is the worst sounding vehicle I've ever heard. It's got a Big turbo. It's a good exit, but why is this huge freaking sign in the way? What in the Fast and Furious? You be cruising in that thing, dude. I totally just missed that Mustang. I wanted to... Dang. Dang. Oh my God, I forgot the name of this. FRS, BRZ, TRD, GT86 joint. That's stock exhaust, bro. This guy. Look at this dude's taillights, bro. Oh, they just changed back to regular. Got ourselves a Ford F-150. There's a mosquito on my leg. Got the 700 horsepower Z01, bro. All right, I need to hear that. Let me hear that. Hold up, can we get a replay on the Camaro one time? That car sounded, oh my God. Bro, I guarantee you, bro, one day, look at my shadow. One day, I will own a Camaro and a Trackhawk. Right there. Matter of fact, play the Camaro again. I just know these people are so upset, bro. These people about to move. And I will gladly move to this house, bro. Imagine, bro, a car meet right by your house. That's freaking sick. Woo, I'm running. Ooh, those 5.7s sound so good. Holy fart. That's a nice clip for Instagram, which you should follow at SMA Garage. That's right there on the screen, bro. Just go ahead and follow it. And yeah. Dang. All right. That's it, I guess. Man, everybody's gone, bro, and I gotta go home. It's late. I'm tired. My legs hurt. Make sure I follow the Instagram right here again on the screen. Subscribe, like, do whatever you want. I don't really care. I'm out. See you guys whenever they do it the next time. So yeah, peace out. Bye.